Hey guys, my name is Monique Mazer. I'm a professional makeup artist and I'm so excited. We are going to be laminating our brows today. As you can see, these are my brows. So I have, in the early 2000s, I overplucked my brows right here, but I have managed to grow in quite a bit on each side. So let's get started. So step one is you are going to use your Wink and Wash conditioner. So you're just going to go ahead and pump out a little bit, and that will remove all of the makeup from your brow. You're going to take a little bit of this guy and it will just remove everything. I don't have anything on my brows, so it should be pretty clean and easy. You're just going to go ahead and remove everything. Once you have cleaned your brows off, washed them, and then dried them, you are going to go ahead and use the brow lamination fixing glue, and you're either going to use the comb or the spoolie. I'm going to try one on each brow to see which one I like better. So let's get started. I will be looking down just into a little mirror so I can see exactly where I'm placing my brow hairs. Let's start on the left side. So I'm going to take my spoolie once I've applied it and really get those brows into the place that I want it. So I actually might use a little bit of both. Might brush them into place and then use the back of the comb to get them pressed where I wanted. Now my brows are extremely stubborn, so I will be pushing mine all the way up because it's right here is so stubborn, so they will correct a little bit on their own. They'll fall a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, let's do the other side. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. Make sure you really get up in those hairs. Okay. I'm gonna take my little comb, see how this goes. And you can always go back to your spoolie. Oh, this works great. I've only ever used spoolies before, but this works fantastic. So next I'm going to be taking the Brow Lamination Lift Lotion with my little frocking brush. I am going to get a little bit of product on there. I'm going to put it on, go through with a spoolie, and then leave it on for 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes for regular brows, and then 5 to 6 for thicker brows. And as you can see, I have little baby brows. So I just removed the number 2 from this side with a wet paper towel. I'm gonna go in with number 3 with a little spoolie here. And I'm going to leave this on for another 4 minutes. So I just finished taking off all the number 2 solution using some water, and I have to tell you, I am absolutely obsessed with this result. So for maintenance, you're gonna get it done every 6 or so weeks. Look how good that is. So for the first 48 hours, you're not going to want to get your eyebrows wet, so avoid that area. I'll be using my micellar water to remove my makeup. And then just make sure you use your little spoolie to comb them up to keep up the maintenance care. This only took me like 15 minutes. I've tried other lamination kits in the past and it took me about an hour, so I am absolutely obsessed with this. We'll definitely be doing this again in 6 weeks.